Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be planting some potatoes in this water little gardening thing. Let's go and get right into this. So I put all these bags. I believe it comes with 20 in here. I already set up the outside. It has a water pump and everything, so it's self-watering. I am going to put it by a water hose, but I don't always have the water hose hooked up. So this is the area to be planting a bunch of potatoes in here. Let's go ahead, get this set up, and start using it though. So let's go ahead and see how this works. I'm going to plug it in. Here's the water coming on. So you can see it's watering it. And I put this stopper right here. Whenever I want to water, I'm just going to turn this over. All the water's going to start coming out. So also, when it comes to water flow, if you turn this, it'll make it flow like that. So if you see in the video it doing that, it's because it depends on how you turn this. So if you really don't want as much, you can do that. Or if you're not really wanting to water one. So as you can see, it is self-watering everything. And then if I want to turn it off, I just turn this and it'll stop it. If I turn it back again, it'll start watering it. And then it just uses the water that's in here, and now that it's open and filled, it'll just continue to catch rainwater. So this is a perfect little system. You can put it in a little area like I did right here in front of my house and have you a nice, beautiful garden. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.